Welcome to my channel World Science. In this video, we are going to learn about do plants eat animals? Wait a second, did that plant just eat an insect? Sounds crazy, right? We usually think of plants as peaceful, green, sun-loving organisms that just sit quietly in the soil. But some plants, they are savage. In today's video, we are going to uncover the shocking truth. Yes, some plants do eat animals. Let's dive into the wild world of carnivorous plants.
Carnivorous plants are a special type of plant that can trap, kill, and digest small animals, usually insects, but sometimes even frogs and small mammals. Why do they do this? Because they often live in places where the soil lacks essential nutrients, especially nitrogen. So instead of just depending on the soil, these plants evolved to get nutrients from animals. Crazy, right? For example, Venus flytrap snaps shut when its sensitive eyes are triggered. Pitcher plant, a deep slippery pit filled with digestive juices. Sundew, sticky tentacles trap insects like flypaper.
Meet the Venus flytrap, one of the most famous carnivorous plants in the world. It might look like a regular plant, but don't be fooled. Those green jaws are actually traps. Here's how it works. Inside each trap are tiny trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect touches two hairs within 20 seconds, snap! The trap closes in less than a second. This fast movement surprises the insect and locks it in. The plant then releases digestive juices just like stomach acid to break down the insect and absorb its nutrients. It takes about 5 to 12 days to finish one meal, and then the trap opens again, ready for the next snack. Next up is the pitcher plant, a deadly beauty that doesn't snap shut. It waits patiently. This plant has deep, cut-shaped leaves that look like a pitcher, and that's where the danger lies. At the top of the pitcher is a slippery rim, often shiny and covered in sweet nectar to lure insects. But once the insect steps in, whoops, it slips and falls right into the trap. Inside the pitcher is a pool of liquid filled with digestive enzymes. The insect drowns and slowly breaks down, and the plant absorbs all the juicy nutrients. Some tropical pitcher plants are so big they can trap frogs, lizards, and even small rodents. Now let's talk about the sundew, a plant that looks cute and sparkly, but don't be fooled, it's a silent killer. Sundews have long leaves covered in tiny hair-like tentacles. At the tip of each tentacle is a sticky drop of sweet liquid that looks like morning dew. That's why it's called sundew. Insects get attracted to the shiny drops and land on the plant. But once they touch it, they get stuck. The more they struggle, the more tentacles slowly curl around them, like nature's slow-motion trap. Then the plant releases enzymes to digest the insect and slurp up the nutrients. Sundews can trap prey many times their own size, and they are found all over the world, from Australia to North America. It's beautiful but deadly. If you found this video wild and fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing science facts, and let me know in the comments which carnivorous plant would you want as a pet. Until next time, stay curious.